MDAM allowed my business to grow by 30%. The last 2 months, I did what I would do in half a year. By utilizing their methods, it allowed me to close more deals. It allowed me to increase that close percentage by 30%, hands down. And I looked at the dollars and I actually gained on average, I want to say about 10,000 per month over the last 2 months. It just was tremendous. My name is Brian Glass. I've been in the business 2.5 years now. I decided to join MDAM to just understand better, get a better practice of what I was doing. I'm a 21-year veteran in the United States Army, and becoming a real estate agent has been a tremendous adventure for me. MDAM helped me understand and help me develop my process and my business tenfold. So a lot of things that I had kind of had rejection-wise was getting people to understand the importance of buying now rather than waiting a year or 2 years and worrying about interest rates or trying to get over that hurdle of committing, and the $1 Million Agent method. And my coach really helped me address those with clients individually and get them to understand the benefits of purchasing or buying now versus waiting down the road. And my coach and mentor was just amazing, teaching me how to deliver that, teaching me how to understand that process and getting over the rejection time frame. With the new NAR rules that are coming into effect, already having those procedures and the processes in place, I don't need to worry about if I've done the right thing or the wrong thing. It's already in there. And building that script allows me to keep moving forward, business as usual. So I personally haven't been affected by any of it. When everybody else has been worried about this, it's been business as normal for me because I already had all those things in place. The skepticism I had was tremendous. Me and my wife kept going back and forth if I should do this, if I shouldn't do this. Am I spending money I didn't need to spend? And I can tell you 2 calls in, I knew I was in the right place. I knew that MDAM was where I needed to be at to help develop my business and myself. I felt comfortable. It gave me security in knowing that I was doing the right thing and how I was developing and utilizing those tools with my mentor. As I was a mentor before and being mentored in the Army, it just really helped me to feed success and really develop and grow my business. MDAM allowed my business to grow by 30%. The last 2 months, I did what I would do in half a year. By utilizing their methods, it allowed me to close more deals. It allowed me to increase that close percentage by 30%, hands down. And I looked at the dollars and I actually gained on average, I want to say about 10,000 per month over the last 2 months. It just was tremendous. I really haven't been able to get all the full numbers because all the tools that they gave me, I'm still implementing, I'm still putting together, and it just keeps growing and growing. There's so many tools in there, it's hard to define one tool to utilize that say, hey, this is the greatest thing ever, because there were so many. And using the MDAM process and using their tools, skepticism was gone. So I would tell you, if you're somebody that's on the fence of joining or not joining, just jump in. It will give you time back. It pays off. It pays off every single bit.